Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. For those of you new to my channel, my name is Chastity. Bobby Joe is my dog that joins me in the kitchen when we make doggy treats. We haven't made any doggy treats in a couple of months, so we should probably get to doing that soon. Today we're making a human treat, and there are so many different ways to make meatloaf, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorites. Also, stay tuned because later in the video I will be drawing a winner for the cast iron burger press I was giving away last week. The person I drew last week never contacted me to claim the prize, so I'm going to do a redrawing. Okay, on to the meatloaf. I have sprayed my Lodge cast iron loaf pan with oil. I have the oven on 350 degrees, and I'm going to stick this in the oven while it preheats. I always heat my cast iron before placing anything in it. For this recipe, you need 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 packet of onion soup mix, and this is the Aldi brand, 2 eggs, a couple of teaspoons of parsley, a tablespoon or so of Italian seasoning, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 3/4 a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of mustard. And meatloaf is really simple to make. All you do is place the ground beef in a bowl. You want to whisk the eggs and pour those into the ground beef. Pour in the milk, the wash your sister sauce, ketchup, and mustard. Add a little salt and pepper, the Italian seasoning, parsley, and breadcrumbs. And that's all there is to it. Just make sure you have clean hands and mix everything together. Now I'm going to pull the loaf pan out of the oven, and I'm going to press this ground beef mixture into it. You want to bake it on 350 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes. The internal temperature should be 160 degrees. I usually check it at 50 minutes and then place the topping on. Now at this point you can make a ketchup topping, honey mustard topping, regular mustard topping, whatever kind of topping you like. Steve likes honey mustard, so instead of making my own this time, I'm just going to spread some of this Ken's honey mustard over the top. Just an easy fix. Then going to put it back in the oven for 10 more minutes. Now we're going to pull it out of the oven, and that's a total cook time of 1 hour. And the house smells delicious. And it is done. Now if you want it to be a little toasty on top, you just turn the oven on broil for a couple of minutes and it'll toast the top. So I'm going to remove it from my cast iron loaf pan so I can go ahead and drain the grease and get the pan cleaned up. I like to wash the pan, put a layer of oil, and then stick it back in the oven while the oven is still warm. That way it's ready to go the next time I want to use it. Okay, now let's do the drawing. Okay, so I posted this cornbread waffle recipe 2 weeks ago, and I did a drawing for the Lodge Cast Iron Burger Press, but the winner did not claim the prize. I have not heard from the winner, so I'm going to do another drawing to pick a different winner. I need to hear from you within 48 hours if you win this, otherwise I'm going to draw again for another winner. So hopefully we hear from the winner within 48 hours. Let me go through and see what names I had that answered the question. You were supposed to tell me what you liked about cast iron, or if you didn't have any cast iron, why you're interested in cast iron. So, we have Kim Lester. Let me write down these names on this notepad. Here I am going one-handed again. She won my bird feeder yesterday. We have Catalina Treats, that's Jessie. We have Heidi G. Okay. We have Tennessee Bird Lady. That's Linda. Forgot about Linda. Sorry, Linda. I should have mentioned you on yesterday's video because you were in that drawing as well. Okay, and this was a channel. This was D, I believe. Let me look at it real quick. Yeah, Homestead in the Wood with D. So let me write D down. Okay, we've got let's see. Oh, we've got Jim. We got Debbie. We're going to skip Appa Chatter because that's Steve. That was the winner of the last drawing, but I never heard from her, so I'm not sure what happened to her. So I'm not going to put her back on here. Sorry. Okay, let me go back through and make sure I got everybody. So Kim answered the question, Jessie, Heidi, Linda, Dee, Jim, Debbie. Alright, that looks like everyone. So I'm going to pull up my wheel of names. I'm going to type everybody's name in over here, and then we'll spin. So I'm going to pause it just a minute so I can type the names. Okay, I have everyone's name on here. I'm going to shuffle. We're going to spin. And we're going to see who our winner is. Ooh. And the winner is Jessie. Barely. It was almost Jim. Did you see that? Congratulations, Jessie. Send me an email with your address and I will mail this out to you. You need to claim your prize within 48 hours. So just send me an email and I will get it mailed out to you. Congratulations. I thought I filmed Steve reviewing the meatloaf, but maybe I forgot. Anyway, the meatloaf was drool-worthy. We enjoyed it for a few days. Here are some photos of it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more do-it-yourself projects, bird videos, gardening, and drool-worthy human and doggy treats. Y'all have a very blessed day.